Hello buddy, welcome back to Twinkling Deals and Ye Do. We have lot to do, so no intro. Let's rock the day, without any delay. Before getting started, I want to acknowledge that Excel, Magic Book, going to be a series on our YouTube channel. As a part of it, this is the first episode. Hey, check out what we are going to do. Quick review on how to get certification from where and how. Basics of Excel, conditional formatting in Excel, charts designing, interactive dashboards, PPT basics.
Go to this website and click on Job Simulations. Here you will find many courses. You can search through company. Select JP Morgan and Chase Co. Here you will find course named Excel Skills. Scroll down a bit until you see at the top, you'll notice a button, Start Program. Go ahead and click on it. You can sign up using your Google account, or create a new one. The tasks you want to perform will be displayed here. You will have enough resources to perform tasks. Click on Next. The first task is to answer the quiz questions. Once you answer those questions, the task will get finished. You don't need to worry if wrong. You have n number of attempts. Click on Next. The task 2 is about data cleaning. It involves the conditional formatting. Click on Next. These are the things you need to do in your Excel sheet. After completion of them, take a screenshot and convert it into a PDF. Upload it here, and click on Submit. Here is a website which is helpful to convert any image into PDF. Here you can select portrait or landscape. Click on Convert. It provides PDF to download. Click on it. You can see the downloaded file in your PC. Upload and submit it. Click on Next. You can see a sample answer. Check and compare with yours work. Task 3 is about using macros and VBA tools that we will discuss in this video later. The procedure of submitting tasks is similar for all tasks. Task 4 is about preparing charts, pivot tables, interactive dashboard. These engages you in Excel than other tasks. You have to take screenshots of the dashboard and convert them into PDF and submit it. Task 5 is about data-driven story. Are you confused? I will explain you. Using PPT, which has some charts, we will come to a conclusion about data, such as least performing bowler or high scoring batsman. Once you finished all the task submissions, click on Next. You will get Resume Snippet. Click on Next. You will get Interview Tip. Click on Next, and you are navigated to your profile. Click on the Excel Skills course. A drop-down menu will be open. Click on the certificate there. You can find a content which you can share it on your LinkedIn profile. Below of the open screen, you can find Download Certificate. Click on it and download your certificate, which is useful for job interviews and to enhance your resume.
Here's the Excel sheet with data. Oh, the heading is clipped. Let me fix this. Select the cells, click on Alignment, then select Crossover Selection from the drop-down menu just below the horizontal. See, we corrected it in seconds. Copy the data in single step. Use the shortcut keys displayed on the screen. Open a new sheet by clicking on plus sign. Select a cell. Now go to Paste Special. Select the Paste Only values from the Paste options. Look at the difference between previous and present sheet. You can convert it into a table. Simply select cell which have data, and by using this shortcut key Ctrl+T. And undo by Ctrl+C. The headings are not properly visible. Select the cells. Go to Format. Choose Autofit Column Width. Observe the change. Let's look at Conditional Formatting tool. Select Data column just below Quarter Sales Variable Percentage by using shortcut key. In Conditional Formatting tool, highlight cells rules, choose greater than. Now you can select any cell or input value. I'm giving 75. Click on OK. See the cells, which are filled with light red color. Let we explore another options equal to. Let we identify the company, which didn't give dividend, that is 0 dividend. Select cell F5, use shortcut to select whole column. In conditional formatting, go to Highlight Cells Rules, choose equal to. Give 0 as value. We can select the desired color, choose Custom Format. Fill. I'm selecting gray color. Click on OK. These are the companies with 0 dividend. Now, we will identify the top 10 companies and profits according quarterly profits. Select the H5 cell, use shortcut to select whole column. In conditional formatting, go to Highlight Cells Rules, choose Top 10 Items, look at results. Give a desired color, I'm giving light green color, click OK. Observe the changes. Look at the column I, there is text in between numbers, let we highlight the text, but I don't know how to do it. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT for help. Here is the prompt. It returned me this formula and steps to apply. Open conditional formatting. Create a new rule. Choose, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Paste the formula, here I'm modifying the formula because cells are starting from 5th row. See here, I'm changing the numbers to text, therefore it changed to green. Now we just highlight the market cap, which is above 100 crore, by taking ChatGPT help. Give this prompt. It returned me this formula and steps to apply. Open conditional formatting. Create a new rule. Choose, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Paste the formula, here I'm modifying E1 to E5 in formula, because cells are starting from 5th row. Choose color using format. Click OK. Oh no! There are many companies greater than 100 crore market cap, let we edit the formula. Open conditional formatting, choose Manage Rules, then Edit Formula, change the value 100 to 1000. Observe the change. Now we explore the color scaling in conditional formatting. Use this formula to generate random number between 0 and 100. By selecting and dragging, the cells can be filled with that formula. It is called as flash fill. Random between formula is useful, but the values will update by every click in Excel, so we have to fix them. Use Copy the Data and Paste Special option. Select the data, use Paste Only Values from Paste Special option in same place. You can check as shown. Now select the data to format. In Conditional Formatting tool, choose Color Scale. Look at the video for clear understanding. smaller values to larger values in different color shades. There is another interesting conditional formatting tool, icon sets. It will be useful to indicate negative and positive values easily. Look at the video. Can we identify errors and highlight them? Yes, we can. Once again, we use ChatGPT for it. In the cell, error is due to using two signs simultaneously. Give this prompt to ChatGPT, it gives the steps how to do. Copy the formula and follow the steps. Modify the formula as per our need. I'm changing cell reference. We remove the error, see the highlighting disappeared. The last one is data bars and conditional formatting. It is similar to bar graphs. Based on the value contained in the cell, we obtain as bars. And we can adjust the bars according to our priority. Here are the interesting table features. First, we convert our data to table. Let me enter a value just after table. Look, how a new column added into the table. Similarly, let me enter a value just below table. Look, how a new row added to the table. Go to Page Layout tab, select Page Background. Import a picture from your PC. Locate edges of picture, make the sheet area white except picture. By using shortcut keys, select all cells, fill them with white color. As shown in video. Go to Developer tab. If you don't have Developer tab in your Excel, go to Tab ribbon, edit it by right-click with mouse on it. Choose Customize the ribbon. In Open dialog box, check the box Developer. You will see the Developer tab has been added in your Excel. Now, go to Developer tab, in Insert select Button, which is in first row, as shown in the video. Place it anywhere in your sheet and in comfortable size. Right-click on the button, go to Format Control. In Control, input maximum value, minimum value, increment range. Link to a cell as shown in video. Let we highlight the cell with the border. Now select the first cell, input this formula. Fill the formula in all cells. As we know random between formula varies on every click in Excel, let we fix the values. Select all the cells with picture. Copy it. Go to Paste Special and choose Paste Only Values. To make sheet visible as picture, we have to make the numbers transparent. For that, again, select Whole Picture, go to Number Formatting, and in Custom Formatting, type. Input 3 semicolons and click OK. Notice the change. For conditional formatting, once again select the whole picture. Go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, greater than. Select cell, which we link to button. Choose Custom Format Color. Select white color and click OK. Now operate the button, you will notice the change. To remove grid lines, go to View tab, select Uncheck the grid lines.
Wow!
Let we try this with another picture without changing the sheet. Adjust the edges of picture. Use random between formula to fill the values. Increase and decrease the value of the cell with help of button. As we already know effect of random between function, let's fix it.
Hope you got the things which brought you here. These are the things covered in this video. The ChatGPT prompts, the Excel sheets used in this video are provided through a link in description. They are always available in our Telegram channel. Episode 2 will be released soon. I am Saikiran, an ECE graduate from KUCET. Owner of Twinkling Deals and Do. Don't forget to give feedback in comment section. Do subscribe and follow us Instagram and Telegram. Meet you soon in our next video.